If you need to monitor what is happening inside your Base44 application, the Logs view is one of the most useful places to start. In this video, I'll show you how to view logs in Base44 step by step so you can quickly check events, troubleshoot issues, and understand what your app has been doing behind the scenes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open your Base44 application and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a central overview of your application's health, status, and activity. So this is the best place to begin when you want to inspect what is going on. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Logs tab. This is the section designed to display event records for your application. Click on the Logs tab to open the Logs view. After the Logs view loads, you will see a chronological list of events. Each log entry usually includes a timestamp and descriptive details, which makes it easy to understand when something happened and what action or event was recorded. As you review the logs, take your time scanning through the entries in order, because they are organized chronologically. The most recent activity is typically easy to find, and this can help you trace errors, confirm successful actions, or identify unusual behavior in your app. If you are troubleshooting a problem, the Logs view can be especially helpful because it gives you a clear timeline of activity. You can compare timestamps, read the descriptions, and pinpoint where an issue may have started. That makes logs a powerful tool for debugging and monitoring your Base44 project, and that is all there is to it. To view logs in Base44, just open your dashboard, click the Logs tab, and review the chronological event list with timestamps and details. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.